Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big announcement here. So Infosys is going to hire for process executive non-voice. So friends, watch the video till the end because I am going to tell you how to apply step by step. Okay, so from the registration till the final procedure. Even I will be talking about the salary, the job location, and the eligibility criteria. So friends, if you have still not subscribed to our channel, YouTube channel, then please do subscribe because you do not miss any kind of update once you have clicked on the bell icon. So friends, this link will be given in the description as well. So you have to click on this link and you will be redirected to the official web page of Infosys. So you can see they have the opening of process executive non-voice and Infosys BPM Limited. The location is Mysore. Friends, again, so Infosys head office is there in Mysore, but you may get the job location anywhere in Bangalore. Okay, so but as of now they have given the location is Mysore. And friends, job referral ID, so you can see job ID or reference code. So this is progen external 104378, work experience, so 0 years. So friends, if you do not have any kind of experience, work experience 0 years, it does not mean only freshers. Okay, so if you are 2020 pass out, 2021, 2022, 2019, you will be still able to apply for this if you are interested in non-voice, because Infosys non-voice is also very good. Okay, because Infosys is one of the reputed MNC. And friends, what is the responsibility? So as you know, so this is a process executive job non-voice. So communication is one of the key criteria here. So if you have a very good communication, then nothing to worry, you will definitely get this job. And friends, what is the responsibilities? So good communication, okay, and MS Excel knowledge. So you will be working on Excel sheet. So MS Excel you can easily learn, friends, on YouTube videos. Flexible to work in shift, so you should be very much flexible to work in shift, day shift, night shift. So if you are ready for that, then again this job is for you. So friends, many of you are definitely not looking for the process or executive non-voice job, so this is not for you. But if you are for time being, if you are looking for this kind of job, then Infosys will be a very good option if you do not have any kind of job right now. Friends, it is very much clear that this is a VPO service line job. So that is the reason they are only asking communication skill, Excel knowledge, and flexible to work in shift. There is no coding associated with that. And educational requirements, so graduation. So friends, if you are from BSc, BA, BCom, BTech, so from any background, so working in Infosys is dream for many, friends, trust me. Okay, so if you're from any graduate, then definitely you will be eligible for that. So either MTech, BTech, okay, so they have not mentioned undergraduate or postgraduate. So MTech, BTech, BCom, any graduation, if you have done graduation, that's all, you can apply for that, provided you have a very good communication knowledge. Okay, then preferred skill is domain BPO, human resource outsourcing, talent admin, all. Okay, location of positioning is subject to business requirement. So friends, they have given Mysore as the location, but still you can find the job in other places also. So it depends upon the business requirement. So when your hiring will happen, so that time depends upon the requirement. Now friends, you have to click on apply. So if you click on apply, then you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so this link will be given in the description, so you do not have to worry. So once you click over there, then you will be redirected to sign in page. Now friends, so if you have not registered earlier, then you can click on register, and then you will be redirected to again a different page. Now friends, so let us register ourselves. So first name is Pratik, okay, and then Kumar, okay. Email ID will be onlinestudyU@gmail.com, okay, and then password, so give some random password. So do not give your Gmail ID password. So you can create a random, you can give any random password. By checking the box, you acknowledge that you have read and understood the terms and conditions. Thanks for your registration. Please verify yourself from the mail received. So we need to verify it, but right now I have not got any email. So I will still log in with this registered, and email with instructions to verify your email address has been sent to you. If you have not received a verification code in your email, click here to resend the mail. So I will again go back and I will check my email if I have got anything from Infosys or not. Yes, so update your Infosys career account. So dear candidates, you are requested to update your Infosys career account. Before click here to update your password, verify your email address. Please note that the link will expire after 12 hours. If the link expires, you can write to this. Okay. So now let us click here. Please click here to update. Okay. Perform the following action, verify email. So click to proceed. So your account has been updated. Okay. Now, once your account has been updated, then friends, we should be able to log in. So yes. So now we should be able to log in because it is already verified. I will save it here. Okay. So whatever details I have given. Yeah. So country code is this and mobile number. I will put the official mobile number of online study for you. And if you have any skills, then you can put Java certified, something like that. So it will, come down. Okay. So Java, you can select. So if any skills, any other skills you possesses, so you can select out of that. Okay. Then click on submit. Privacy and data protection. So friends, if you want, you can read it. Otherwise, you can simply accept and proceed because privacy consent accepted. Okay. So yes, we will be redirected to again another page. Now you have to fill your details. So I'll be filling some random details, friend. Okay. So this is 2002. So I'll just fill some random details. Okay. September 21st. Okay. And a preferred interview city. So you can put Mysore, Bangalore. So they're just asking like if there is current and previous employer. So if you do not have anything, please enter the current or previous employer. So if you do not have any, the current or previous employer, then you can leave it like that. We will see if it is accepting or not, because all the application I will fill in front of you only, so that you will not have any confusion. Okay. So now I will upload the resume. So I will go to my desktop. I always keep a resume for, you guys. Yeah. So Pratik Kumar, and I will be getting multiple calls also from them. So are you an ex Infosys? So if you are not, then you have to disable it, right? Okay. Now, so this is, if you have anything, then you can fill. If you do not have anything, we will see what is happening. So let us try to apply. So if there will be any error, we will not be able to apply. Okay. Okay. I'll try to put year value 5. Okay. Now let's see. And then I will click on apply because we do not have as such any current or the previous employer. So now I should be able to apply for that. So you have successfully applied for the process executive non-voice role, right? So this message you will be getting it. And even, you can see here applied process executive. Okay. So friends, you will be able to get that. And after that, you will be also able to see the job openings. So if you want, you can apply for that, right? So you can see here process executive, non-voice, talent admin, all, and you can go back and you can see what you have applied, right? So if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. Otherwise, you have successfully applied, and now we have to wait for that. And friends, so most of you would like to know the salary. So the salary of Infosys is standard salary. So it is 3 lakhs. So in and around your salary will be around 3 lakhs, which is a very good salary for the BPO job. So friends, definitely if you are looking for a job, then do not wait, apply it. And friends, one more thing which I wanted to bring to your notice here. So today is the Christmas day and we have given the offer. So the Wipro Cracker course, which is having 95 plus videos, is just available for 199 rupees. So it is not for 299 now. It is just for 199. And friends, this course we have sold more than 2000. I mean 2000 courses has been sold for Wipro NLTH alone, and people have liked a lot. And friends, you can see our rate and reviews. So many people have cleared the examination this year, and you can see in the comment box. So friends, do not delay. So get it today. And another announcement, friends, which we are doing is, so we are going to give away so a lot of free things, and a lot of surprise gift will be available, and you still have to wait for 6 more days. So on 1st of January, we are coming up with a lot of gifts on completing 100K subscribers. And friends, I really want to thank each one of you, each one of my family member who is a part of 100K subscriber. Thank you, friends. And please subscribe to our channel. We will be always there for you at each and every moment, wherever and whenever you need us. Thank you.